Sita Nicole. Of course, if you are new in my channel, please don't forget to subscribe after you watching my video. Yes! So today, I'm here in Mining Museum in Colorado Springs, and I hope you guys enjoy this video and God bless!
They have a gold panning station inside of the museum where they actually seed with nuggets throughout the week. We didn't find any, but here's me panning for gold. You have to swish it around to get all the metal to go to the bottom, and then you put it back in the water and you let the water take the top layer off, and what's left in the pan is gold. So this is the entrance to a mock mining camp underground. It's sort of shows how the miners break down the rocks and get them to the surface. They kept it kind of cold and dark.
And they have some rocks in here. Super cool, as you can see. And they have some light in here, like a lamp.
Yeah, like the kerosene headlamps, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
Here, the box of the lots of rocks.
Only on the weekends. So we have one up here. This has 5 stamps on it. Here's an example. So we have an operational one on the hillside here, and we run it on weekends during the summer. It has 5 stamps. I think we've got somewhere between 6 and 10. I want to say it's 10. We run one side. This is a leach machine. It's used to, they put acid in there and turn the wheel and get the good metal out of the rocks. This is a miner escape pod from Chile. Remember when all those miners got trapped? Yeah.
They just wanted to camp for gold.
Okay.
Pounds is what this weighs. So it would have had a leather belt around the red flywheel, like the one on the floor right there. Except the one for this one was 3 feet wide and 182 feet long, up to a revolving shaft that ran the entire length of the factory and had gears and other belts coming off of it to run the rest of the machinery and all the electric lights in the factory. So they used this from 1910 to 1970. They had upgraded the factory. They don't need this anymore. But they did multi-leather belts. Steam gets piped over to a steam engine, and the steam engine runs other machinery. But Dennis's boiler, it was about this big around, about 2 inches. It was a pipe.